How to fix Brave high CPU usage. I am going to show you how you can easily fix Brave high CPU usage. If you are not actively using any additional tabs or windows, it is best to close them. This will reduce the memory footprint of the program, which can help lower CPU usage. The more tabs you open, the more memory Brave uses. Try closing some tabs if you are having trouble with lagging. Next, you should see that the update of your browser because old versions of Brave use it more CPU resources than newer ones do. So if you haven't updated in a while, go ahead and do that before continuing with the rest of this guide. Create a new user profile, launch Brave on your PC and go to Menu. Then select Create a New Profile. Finally, give your new user profile a name. Customize it at will and click Done. Whereas, add-ons and extensions add more functionality to a browser. Sometimes they are the culprits that are responsible for high CPU usage. You can disable plugins, such as Flash Player, if they aren't needed for viewing content on a website. These are known to increase resource usage by up to 400%, so disabling them will greatly improve your PC's performance. Disable hardware acceleration Brave. Browsers often use the hardware acceleration feature for pages to load faster. However, if you have a low-end GPU, then you may experience slowdowns in your browser. If you notice some performance issues with your Brave browser, the first thing you should do is clear your cache and cookies. This will remove all cookies and cache data from your device, which will help decrease CPU usage by Brave in the long run. If you want to remove it automatically, third-party software such as Cleaner will delete your browser histories, cookies, and cache files for any browsers you have installed, including Brave. It will also delete the cookie data stored by the Flash Player. Cleaner will remember your preferences for the next time you open it, so you can just launch it and click the Run Cleaner button in the future.